Hello and welcome to Seaview Tech Tips. In today's video, we will be showing you how to install Microsoft apps on your iPad. First, you'll need to go to Student App. When you enter the Student app, you can either search for the app in the search bar, or you can scroll down to find it. Student puts the apps in alphabetical order, so we want to scroll till we see M for Microsoft. Now you can install Excel, OneNote, Outlook, and PowerPoint. All you need to do is click Get. Now the app will start downloading. Go to your iPad home screen and wait for the app to finish its download and install. This might take a moment. Once the app is in full color, then you can open up the app. The app should have you logged in straight away. If not, you'll need to log in with your school email address. For more help, visit the IT services.